Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit widget on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Widgets are a super cool feature that Mac users have at their fingertips. They're essentially mini apps that sit on your desktop and give you quick access to frequently used information or tools. So what if you want to edit or change your widget on your MacBook? It's so simple. So you can just open your widget first on your MacBook by click on the upper right corner here, where you can open your MacBook widget here. And here's your widget on your MacBook. You can edit by scroll down and click on edit widgets. Here you can choose on the widgets that you want to remove or replace from your widget list. You can choose, there's so much widgets that you can use, like list, calendar, or clock, or you can choose in here. Maybe for the example, if you want to add your daily activity, you can choose on daily activity. You can also add the watch list. For the example, maybe you want to add the Safari, the reading list on your MacBook widget. For the example, I will choose note folder. I will click on folder. And also for the another one, I will add podcast on my widget like this. And here's my new widgets on my MacBook. You can arrange your widgets by click on edit. You can just move the widget's position. If you want to make your note on the top of your widgets, you can just do like this. Or maybe you want to remove the widget that you no longer use, you can just remove the widgets. It's so simple, right? So that is how to edit widgets on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!